So it seems like the Short Lonely is back hungry, and this new snippet sound fire. Off topic, but do this nigga have two nose piercings? One right here and one right here? This shit ugly. I'm sorry, bro. This shit trash.
I like that.
Okay, that first snippet was tough as shit. That first snippet was hard. And this bro gonna just keep this silver gray hair. I thought this was just for the no stylist era and if looks could kill. Well, this is his famous look. This what we know alone for the gray dreads. But it's like I thought that nigga was gonna dye this shit back black or something.
Got a cut to lean on me, you know me. Shot got lean on me, got a whole lot of green on me, you know me. Bros don't ice like a king, living in ecstasy. Flag on red on bees and shot so sexy. Don't say trick in the rocket, but we need no kids. Shot like Jack by
Man, you can't take away that this nigga, I'm bobbing my head. Y'all see this? You can't take away this nigga talented, dog. Okay, mop it is. That mop on your head, bro. This nigga talented as shit, bro. Oh my god, bro.
They gon' fuck on me. Look like Rasta khaki, powder they do saline. Pour that presto feed and powder that ecstasy. They need to write my life. They need to put my life on screen.
Okay, bad bitch. You gon' flex your purse on us. And you got accessories on that bitch. Okay, girly pop.
Shot it right next to me, catch straight out the TV. No better. I gotta stay fresh and clean. Nigga got OCD. That's right. I might just lose my mind, might tweet like ODB. I'm living my life on drugs, my sweat like so OD. That's right. Yeah.
Oh my god, ew, this beat crazy, dog. Oh my god, bro. He back, bro, he back. And by the way, them grills that's in your mouth, the Short Lonely, them shits ain't hitting, bro. Them shits glass. Them shits ain't shining at all.
They got this, they got this. You know I'm the one for this. I think I was made for it. Shawty don't sound like this. She said I'm a favorite. I like that. I'm going cracker. I'm going pack the rich. Shawty won't pass on swag. She don't pay the shit. How these niggas my kids. Chrome my sleeves got hella tricks. That beans, they be skeletons. Yeah.
And tell me I'm lying. This the longest a Opium member has ever been on live. This live is 3 minutes, by the way, gang. You know them niggas be ended. Them niggas will play 5 seconds of a snippet, then end the live. That's that shit Ken do. He used to do that shit. This the longest this nigga been on live, bro. That's how you know he got something to prove.
She come with her friends. Diamonds ain't never going in. This buddy ain't never going in. Crystal ice on me, got a cup full of lean on me. Shawty got lean on me, got a whole lot of green on me. Bros go ice like a king, moving in ecstasy. Flag on red on bees, and shawty so sexy. Don't say trick in the racket, but you need no keys. Shot like Jack by khaki, they gon' fuck on me. Looking like Rasta khaki, we go hard, shout out my boy White.
Bro, this nigga played the full song. Like, what the like, damn, nigga. Shit. Nigga trying to beat them wash allegations, my nigga. Like I said, this the longest opium number ever been on Instagram Live, bro. Them niggas love them little 10-second snippets, then ending it. That's how you know when a nigga hype start dying down, now he won't pop out. He won't be more active on social media. I'm telling you, bro. But yeah, make sure I can subscribe and I'm out deuces, bro. These snippets was hard, bro. This shit tough. But it's the album gonna be like this, cause this nigga drop fire snippets and the album be underwhelming as fuck. Like, we gotta see. We don't even know the name yet. The nigga ain't even say a name or nothing. But he been playing a lot of snippets though.